Let's go ahead and talk about Microsoft today because this level 390 to 410 area, this level right here is where traders were fast trapped on Microsoft. And if you thought this was a dip, this move was exactly designed for you because this level right here, those levels right there, this was a fast trap. And most traders were treating this like a dip because you can see the price went ahead and bounced from 390 all the way to 410 area. And look at what happened. The price rolled back up to the 390 area once more. And you can see the volume right there incoming was still a red selling volume. Now, see the significance right here of 390 to 410. Price came from 390, pushed all the way to about 410 area. Price rolled back all the way to 390 and didn't hold at this level of 390. Now, remember this, the gap we've been talking about some time back, the 368 to 372 level, this one right here, that right there. This was trap number two because you can see the moment we failed to hold the 390 area, price rolled back all the way to this gap right here, which was from April 2025. So Microsoft currently is trading near those April 2025 lows. Remember those? Now, I'm not saying that it has to go lower, but you need to understand the probabilities right now. Number one, here is what traders miss. A drop into a level of interest doesn't mean that buyers are going to step in. Like I've said in all the previous levels, the market context was weak. Microsoft was weak. Right here, this was a dead cat bounce. You can see price came from 390 up to 410, rolled all the way back down into this gap right here from April 2025. Now, previously, I had mentioned that this was a key level of interest, but look at what happened right here. There was no support at this level at all. Now, watch the reaction that happened right here. Number one, there was a very high red selling volume at this level. There was absolutely no bounce at this level right here. There was no bounce at this level right here, this gap area right here. There was no real momentum shift. There was no reclaim of structure. Now, that's everything because smart money already knows that you are expecting a bounce at this level. So, price went and pushed into this level. A whole lot of buyers got trapped into this level right here, 368 to 372 area, that right there. The buyers who stepped into this level, they got trapped and they got stuck in this level because price, you can see what happened. Price kept pushing lower, and that's the trap. This isn't support anymore. That gap right there was an ambush zone of the buyers who stepped in way too early. Now, patience here is going to be your real edge because you can see right here, right at this level, the price didn't hold. It got sliced. You can see the red candles slicing through here, which means this is not a pullback anymore. This is a continuation to the downside. And this is exactly what happened on Friday. Now, if buyers don't step into that level anymore, this is exactly what's going to happen right there. Prices are going to significantly push further low if buyers are not going to step in. This totally is going to open the doors to significantly lower levels of price action on Microsoft. And that's where traders need to realize that they were way too early getting into this trade on that gap, thinking that this was going to be the support right here, but it was not. Now, some are going to ask, can this still turn into bullish? Yes, definitely. This can still turn into bullish, but you have conditions under how this can turn into bullish. Number one, we need to see buyers step in at these levels that it's crossing through. We need to see buyers step in. These levels that I'm talking right here, if you remember very well, in April of last year, this is where we currently are. We are right here at 350, 356, 357. We are right here. So it begs the question, is this another level that Microsoft is going to test right here at all the way down to 344? Pick up all this liquidity right here. Because right now, it's not just going to be a bounce that we need. We need to see consolidation happening. We need to see Microsoft pushing in and hitting higher lows and higher highs and real momentum with volume, because right now we are actually in a liquidity zone, and that's what Microsoft is doing right now, picking up liquidity. And not forgetting that smart money is also watching these levels as well. Remember, they really like to buy cheap and sell high. So right now, the price is not showing strength, it's showing weakness. It's showing hesitation after a breakdown. We can see the breakdown that happened on Thursday, the breakdown that happened on Friday. There is hesitation right now. And this is where buyers, early buyers, are getting trapped. They assumed the support was right here at this gap, but look at what happened at that gap. Price action just sliced through that and continued much lower. So, instead of waiting for the price action or the price reaction at key critical support levels, my final thought to you guys is, don't just trade a level because you see, well, this was your presumption is this was a gap. Microsoft will make a turnaround right there. Don't make decisions out of price action reaction at key critical support levels. Don't trade a level just because it's a level on the chart. You also need to trade the price reaction that you see at that level. Right here, there was no price reaction because of the continuation to the downside the next day, which was on Friday. So, key things to watch into tomorrow: if Microsoft stabilizes and finds support at some area right here. But currently, we do have a liquidity going all the way to this area of 344. So, it would be interesting to see what area Microsoft is going to hold at. Because right now, we are approaching this right here, 356, see if it holds that level or not. Because if it doesn't hold that level, you know where next it's going to go to? The previous April all-time lows, which is at 344. So that's all I had. Thank you for watching.